Hey guys, it's Man from Minnesota Mobile and Marine Electronics. And in this video, you're going to see us start replacing the speakers on our 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. This is going to be the first bike in Canada with the audio upgrade. So for now, we're just changing out the original Harley speakers with the ground zeros. And we're going to slowly upgrade everything. We're adding a different amplifier. We're adding a DSP. But in this video, you're going to see the factory Harley speaker compared to the one we're putting in, the ground zero. And it's the ground zeros are a drop-in fit. So here, watch the video, guys, and just stay tuned for the build. Here you guys can see the factory Rockford speaker that comes in the Harley-Davidson. Not much going on there. Then this is going to be one of the speakers we're going to be replacing it with in our packages. This is a ground zero GZCF 6.5 SPL Neo. This is going to be a drop-in fit. So here it is, it's direct fit. No modification needed. Then we have the Harley one on this side.